Hello everyone, my name is Manmeet Kaur from the Gurukul School Rania. So it's a chapter joint stock company. Yes, joint stock company means in this way we're gonna discuss about what is company, how it is legally work, okay, how its liability, its features and merits. Two parts we're going to discuss in this video. Okay, first, company is artificial person. Yes, because it is invisible. Yes, we can't see him her. Okay, we feel its existence in the eyes of law, or it's working or checking it's working. Okay, it is voluntary association, by means by own choice people become its member. Okay, who invest money in it for purpose of earning profit, or for purpose or investing money for purpose of getting return. Okay, features: separate legal existence. Yes, company and its members are were separate members. Company can buy and sell any asset in its own name, not of its members name, because company, it has a separate identity. Artificial person. Yes, no one can see it perform its function with the help of directors. Registration: it must be registration under Company Act 1956. Perpetual succession means uh, it will not affect by any member may suffered any uh, de- uh, suffered any from death or insolvency, means or now further he is not having any money to invest to do a business. Transferability of share means I can easily buy and sell shares. Okay, buy and sell share at any time. Common seal. Yes, because he company is an artificial person, he cannot sign on any contract. So a common seal is there. If in any contract seal is not, stamp is not there, then company is not bind to perform that contract what is written on it. Okay, separation of ownership and contract. Yes, company owner is shareholder. Shareholder means who invest money in the business, but director who manage and control the activities of the company. Last one is limited liability. Yes, how much I am going to invest in business, that much I am liable. Example, 15 lakh I am investing in business, not more or not less than of it I am liable of it. Okay, so guys, this is the liabilities of joint stock company. Now we will going to discuss merits of joint stock company. Okay, what we discuss here, now we're going to discuss its merits. Okay, merits of joint stock company: large amount of capital, because how so many investors are there. Okay, they invest money in it, or company cannot invest money by issuing share or selling its share to the public, or getting loans from the banks or financial institute. Limited liability means how much I'm going to invest is I'm liable that only. My personal property is in not any risk. Okay, continuity. Yes, uh, any death or insolvency may not affect my company, because if one member gone, other will come in its place. Efficient management, because professional experts are there who will perform the business activities. Growth and expansion. Yes, I will get easily loan from the financial institution, or by selling share I can easily grow my business or expand my business. Example, if I am purchasing one product, now I am going to sell. If I am selling one product, now I am going to sell two or three, according to my business company point of view, or according to my money. Easy transferability of share. Yes, owner can easily buy and sell share at any time. Public confidence, because at the end of the year in newspaper, or in online, or in internet, or in magazines, my accounts will be published. So it increasing public confidence. Social responsibility. Yes, now these days big companies doing or contributing funds for welfare of our country, or example establishing school, hospital, colleges. Okay, so company also share its profits some some part of its profit for contributing in the society. So hope you understand this topic. Thanks everyone.